Hi guys, it's me. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. So today we're going to do a super fun project with leftover Easter goodies that I have from the baskets that we had my kids make in religious education. I call them my kids, but I guess it's because I teach them, but yes, but there's all these goodies left over. So there's like chocolate and Easter candy and lollipops and bubble gum. So I'm going to repurpose this into little gifts that I can give to my cousins. So I have 3 toilet paper rolls, and we're going to actually make Easter crackers. Traditionally, these are from the UK, and they have snaps on them, and when you pull them, they make like a pop noise or snap. But I don't have any of those, so I'm just going to do like a DIY version, just because they're going to be filled with goodies, and I think that that's fine. So you need string, you need empty toilet paper rolls. I'm going to use double-sided sticky tape. We'll see how long that lasts. I might have to switch to washi tape. I don't have any regular like masking tape or Scotch tape, I should say. Okay, and then we have scissors, and I have tissue paper. This is just dollar store tissue paper, nothing fancy. But these are really, really fun. I think I made a Halloween and a Christmas cracker once on my channel. I will try to find those videos and link them below. But they're really fun and really, really simple to make. That other one was a little different. It had a string and you actually pulled it and the tissue paper came out. But they're still really fun when they're traditional, and I know that my cousins will like them, so and my nephew. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our tissue paper out, and I'm just going to put it like right in the center. I know here, because you want to be able to twist the sides. So I think if I go here to like the 3rd fold in the tissue paper, that should be perfect. I'm just going to cut that down. And they have so much beautiful tissue paper that you can use out there. So this is great. But this is a quick kind of Easter DIY that you can use. But hopefully you have time to make. I have been so busy. I've been helping my friends move. So it's been crazy. I haven't had a chance to really make any videos or do any art. So I'm happy to be up a little bit early today before we go over there and continue to help them. I think there's maybe like 1 more week of stuff that we need to do. So yeah. And they're moving out of state, and I'm going to miss them so much. They are such a beautiful, generous couple. It's just beautiful. So we're going to miss them a ton. We're going to try not to think about that. And just think about all the happy times. We'll hopefully get to visit them where they're moving. They're moving out of state. So hopefully that will happen soon. But it is a pain in the butt to move. Especially when you've been in a place for like 20 years, right? It's like, oh my gosh, there's just so much to do. Okay, so I have these cut up. I think these will work perfectly. Alrighty. And you could do like 2 layers of tissue paper if you wanted. I think I'll just do 1. Well, we'll see. How about that? Let's start with the blue one. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to take it, and I'm going to take out some double-sided sticky tape. This is just dollar store, just cheap stuff. Nothing fancy going on in my art room. Probably ever. So we'll do this and this and this. Perfect. So I hope you guys are excited for Easter if you celebrate Easter. If not, happy Passover. Yes, and then we're just going to take it and all those other holidays out there, but that would be great. I'm excited for Easter. So I'm just going to like roll this over, but I think I'm going to put a little bit more sticky tape here. It might be a little bit late to wish you happy Passover. Okay, so we'll just roll that over. Okay, and then I'm just going to give it a trim. But this is our Holy Week, so Going to do washing of the feet on Thursday, and then the Passion on Friday, so it'll be fun. I love Easter. It's definitely one of my favorite holidays, so it'll be great. Okay, and I'm just going to trim this off. I hope you guys can see. I'm sorry. Sometimes I get out of camera, but I'm trying to be better about that. Okay, and then I'm just gonna, like, where it's gonna overlap, I'm gonna put just a little bit of double-sided sticky tape, and over here too. That's great. I think that should work. Okay, so then we're going to take some of our string. It can be any kind of string. I love this stuff. Someone gave it to me, I think. Or did I find it at a thrift store? I never know, but just going to take some. And we're going to tie one in, and then we'll stuff the other one. So I don't know, maybe a length about, I try to give you guys measurement, even though I just eyeball things. Look at what my nephew set on my ruler, and it went in half. But it's okay, I have a ton of them from my class, so it's good. So I think, what, maybe, I don't know how many inches this is. Maybe I'll get a ruler that is actually together. Okay, so I can give you a proper measurement here. Like 12 inches is fine. And that's probably too much, but I'll trim it down. Alright, so then we're going to take it, and I think maybe I should put a little bit more tape if I can find it. I am so terrible, like, I never remember to fold it down or put it on the little thing, and then it annoys me. Okay, let's do this and this. We haven't even decided what we're going to have for Easter dinner, so we'll have to eventually figure that out in the next couple of days so we can get stuff. We usually have lamb. Oh, and my mom makes a delicious roasted lamb, so I think we're going to get her to do the cooking this year. Maybe I'll help with the sides, so it'll be good. But I love lamb. It's so good. Very good. Okay, and get her. So then we're going to take one, we're going to give this a twist, just one end, very, very gently. Just twist it, twist it, twist it, as close as you can. Okay, and then you're just going to take your string and you're going to tie it. Again, very gently, because it is tissue paper. This is definitely not the most expensive tissue paper, right? You can get those thick tissue papers from fancy stores, but we're going to use our dollar store tissue paper. Fancy pantsy. Just tie that up, and then let's stuff it. So hopefully I have little things that can actually be stuffed in here. Yeah, I should have stuffed it first. Let's see. We'll put him in there. He should work. We'll do lots of chocolate. That's very important for Easter. I need to have some chocolate. This one and that one. I should probably be counting these out. Okay. Look at these. Aren't these fun? I am such a big kid. It's ridiculous. Let's see. Their eyes move. You can shake them. And maybe like an eraser. Okay, just like that. That should be good enough. But it's nice and full, as you can see. Then you're going to take it, and then you're going to twist the other end. Make sure your candy's in there. I like to hold it up straight and give it a twist. Please do not break. I've broken so many of these by over twisting. So grab another piece of my string. I didn't do a very good job of twisting that one. And of course they're going to get Easter baskets, but they will get these from me. From their aunt that does strange things, of course. But they love it. Okay. Or their cousin, I should say. Aunt and cousin. Didn't get that very close, but that's okay. Okay, let's... He's smarter than the tissue paper to me. Okay, let's see. I think that'll be better. Okay, just like that. And then kind of do it like that. And I'm just tying a double knot. You can tie a little bow if you want. You can actually tie a bow since I have a lot left over. Just like that. Well, I don't like the bow. We're going to take the bow out. I think I like the string maybe. Yeah, so we'll just give it a little bit of a trim. Just a little bit so they don't hang over quite so much. But I think they're really fun. And just to make them maybe a bit more Eastery, since I have these fun Easter stickers, we will add maybe an Easter bunny right up the crack there. Or the crease, I should say. There we go. That is so pretty. Isn't that cute? Let's add a few Easter eggs too. It's adorable. Very cute. So I'm going to get cracking and make these other ones that I need to make. But I just wanted to give you just a cute little sweet idea that you can do just with your leftover Easter candy, or you can go to the dollar store and just get a bunch of stuff and put it in a basket and just randomly pick and make these. I think these would be really cute for adults too. Oh yeah, I remember when I used to work in an office, I loved to make like little things for people. I think it's really fun and festive, so it's fun even for adults too. And what you'll do is you'll hold this end and you'll have another person hold this end, and then you pull and you get like a little bit of a pop or pulling action, and then all the stuff spills out. So it's really fun, but it's really fun with kids, and you could totally make this with your kids. So I really hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you have a wonderful Easter. I'm going to try to get out another video for you guys. It'll probably be like an art journaling video or something like that, but I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful Easter if you celebrate, and I can't wait. It'll be a really fun Easter, and I will see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day. God bless. Bye bye.